C.H. Robinson, an American provider of multimodal transportation services and third-party logistics, announced a collaboration with Microsoft. This will integrate Navisphere, C.H. Robinson's platform, Microsoft Azure, Microsoft's cloud computing service, and Azure IoT to give customers an even more detailed level of intelligence as they move through the supply chain. P.B. Schenker has successfully introduced Picavi's smart glasses in order picking operations with the goal of implementing the smart picking solution as standard procedure across multiple locations. Picavi uses Google Glasses to project required information into the user's field of vision. DHL Express has launched Medical Express service between Brazil and the United States. This transportation solution addresses increased demand for faster and more predictable lead times. Instacart, a grocery delivery startup, has raised $400 million from the investors, strengthening its position as Silicon Valley's highly valued delivery company. Mapletree Investments, a real estate investment company, has purchased 7 lakh square feet in an industrial warehouse at Chakan, Pune for $45 to $50 million from KSH Infra. The park targets Chakan's well-established automotive industry, including plants to top automakers and their component manufacturers. Amazon India has announced the launch of its skill development program under the National Apprenticeship Promotion Scheme (NAPS). In the 6-month-long program, the company will train the apprentices on warehousing and inventory management skills for the roles of warehouse associates and process associates. They will provide to them with the monthly stipends in line with the guidelines mandated under NAPS. XPO Logistics, a leading global provider of transport and logistics solutions, has been selected by Greene King, UK's largest pub retailer and brewer, to manage dedicated warehousing and distribution for its secondary drinks channel. Load Hog Limited, designer and manufacturer of returnable package solutions, is currently working on developing its 17-year-old pallet lid system by integrating automation technology. This will significantly reduce waste, labor, and time spent securing the load to a pallet for several retail and e-commerce giants. A large number of transportation and logistic providers are cutting costs and going green with energy-efficient truck terminals and warehouses. Two such examples are Pit Ohio Supply Chain Solutions and Vegetable Organic Producer and Supplier. They are making use of reusable packaging and renewable energy sources. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more such updates. Follow us on LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. Stay safe.